At FSI, our priority is to save you time and money while delivering exceptional resources and service. We achieve this through SmartSuite's self-guided training and instant support tools. The FSI team is always available for training via phone, email, or face-to-face, but sometimes you just want to get started easily by yourself. With SmartSuite Library, teachers can access support instantly. You can also create custom QR codes for easy, on-the-spot guidance at self-reserve counters. We know that with staff changes and the overwhelming amount of programs and processes that teachers endure, having easy-to-reach help is a must. So you can use these QR codes to give your teachers instant access to helpful videos or step-by-step guides, so they know exactly what to do without needing to contact IT or the library team. This is just an added feature of our support, but it doesn't replace the top-tier service from the FSI team. If you'd prefer to speak with us, we're always here to help.